You've done the deep work. You've recorded your story, reflected on it, and stored the gold. Now comes the part that turns all this into real momentum, rituals, not hustles, not pressure, just a weekly rhythm that keeps you connected to your message. Here's a simple habit I recommend. I call it the 20-minute recall. Once a week, same time, same place, you sit down, you breathe, and you remember. Set a timer. Pick the next chapter in your life story. Close your eyes if it helps, then speak. That's it. No need for perfection. No needs to post it. You're not performing, you're revealing. Most people think content comes from strategy, but great content, it comes from clarity, and clarity comes from practice. 20 minutes a week over a few months, and you'll have a library most creators would kill for. Not of tips or hacks, but truth. Now, let me say this. You'll have weeks where you don't feel like it, where your mind's foggy, where life feels heavy. That's when the ritual matters most, because those sessions, the hard ones, often bring up the most real material. If you want, you can use a journaling doc alongside your recordings. Sometimes writing before or after speaking helps surface extra layers. This isn't about being viral. This is about being valuable to others and to yourself. You've now got the method, you've got the practice, and you've got the rhythm. Now let's shift gears and talk about how to use what we've created to build your actual audience. So next up, we're going to be turning raw material into real content.